Hey everybody, this video got a master lock number 220. No key, it's a Harley Davidson version here, and my plan was to do a picking video and then make a key for it, but I've been trying to pick it here and have had no luck with it, so I'm not sure what's going on with it. So we're going to go ahead and see. I went and cut a bump key, so we'll see if we can maybe bump it open and make a key. Give it a try anyway. Got off to a very good start here. Alright, look at that, it opened. Alright. Bump key for the win there. So now see if we can gut it here and then measure up the pins and make a key for it. Not sure why this guy's so hard to pick. Just wonder maybe my skills are diminished or something, I don't know. Too much playing with leashes lately makes it too easy. So it's a master lock, so it looks like it is a Allen. Oops. Show, no, that usually is this one. I think this might have been actually changed out. The master lock usually is at 764. But that one appears to be smaller, whatever's in there. And maybe it's just smaller on this lock because it's a small lock. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, we'll get this out of there. Really didn't want to lock it back, but I think I gotta get the key out. I mean, it feels like it wants to come off. There it goes. Alright, and this guy comes out with, oh shit, oh yeah, it's little pegs. This is the same as its bigger brother, the 230. Alright, and alright, I think I'm actually might be in luck here. There's actually a code on this. So let me see if I can read the code and run it and just go cut a key and not even have to take it apart. That would be nice. Looks like 62631. Alright, 62631. So let me run out to the blitz here and we'll see what happens here. That might be direct bidding. I'm going to punch it into lock codes anyway and see what else comes up. But that very well could just be the bidding, 62631. So I'll go give that a shot here and be right back. All right, back from the blitz machine here. So that actually was direct bidding. So this is what the key looks like. Is yep, 62631. So now I have a working key for it here and just reassemble it. And maybe I'll try to pick it later. I don't know. I might just throw it back on eBay. And I bought it on there pretty cheap without keys, and now that it's got keys, somebody might be interested in it. Yeah, that's into Harley Davidson, whatever. I ride sport bikes, so Harleys don't do a whole lot for me. I do make keys for them, but as far as riding them goes, I still prefer the sport bikes. But anyway, it is kind of a cool lock, though. Cool piece, or whatever collectors say. You can lock it back here, and yeah, key works, and so cool. I might need to just maybe clean it up a little more, but I think it's going to be nice in somebody's collection. But anyway, that's all I got for this one, guys, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.